Would you take a look at this? Isn't this a wonderfully eclectic colorway? It's so loud, it's so bright, it's so ostentatious. I love this shoe. The minute I saw the rumors of this release going out on the internet, I knew I was gonna get this shoe. And yes, spoiler alert, I did pay resale. I do wish, like others, that the entire shoe glowed in the dark. But alas, only the midsole does. And if you were lucky enough to get a pair for retail, or you paid resale like me, you might be wondering how this shoe looks when matched with other colors. Yes, we know how it might look with black, and we know that it's probably gonna look good with white too. But if you're like me, you probably have multiple colors of shorts and pants and track pants and jeans, and you're wondering, will this shoe go with more than just black and white? But fear not, because your Shoemmelier is here to help you pair the adidas Yeezy BOOST 350 V2 in the glow-in-the-dark colorway. So how do you style your glow-in-the-dark Yeezys? Do you just keep it neutral, white and black and grays, and let the shoe speak for itself? Or do you let the shoe be the foundation that just lets you throw tons of paint on the canvas being your body? Let me know in the comments down below how you incorporate the adidas Yeezy BOOST 350 V2 glow-in-the-dark colorway into your fit. Until next time, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and just chill till the next episode.